Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sent or scheduled marketing email in HubSpot. Whether you spotted a typo at the last minute or need to make urgent changes before your email goes out, knowing how to stop a scheduled send can save you from potential embarrassment and keep your communications on point. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has the necessary permissions to manage marketing emails, as this will determine what actions you can take once inside. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where all your main HubSpot tools are organized. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketing, and you'll notice an expanded menu appears with several choices. From this expanded menu, click on Email. This will take you to your email dashboard where all your marketing emails are stored and managed. Now that you're on the email page, you'll see a list of all your marketing emails, both sent and scheduled. Take a moment to locate the specific email you want to cancel. You can scroll through the list or use the search functionality if you have many emails to sort through. Once you've found the email in question, click on it to open its details. This brings you to the email overview page, which displays all the important information about your selected email, including its status, content, and scheduling details. Look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Actions with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this button to reveal a menu of available options for managing this email. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Cancel Scheduled Email. This is the option that will stop your email from being sent at its scheduled time. Once you click this, a confirmation pop window will appear on your screen asking you to verify your decision. This is HubSpot's way of making sure you don't accidentally cancel an important campaign. In this pop-up, click on Cancel Scheduled Email again to confirm your action, and that's it. Your scheduled email has now been canceled and will not be sent to your recipients. The email will remain in your HubSpot account as a draft, allowing you to make any necessary edits and reschedule it whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.